Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Suzuki Baleno GL hatch, stock reference number 4551. This shape runs from the 4th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a K14B, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K14B, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand halogen headlight, right-hand daytime running light and right-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got an automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.